Thank you for visiting the Baby Trend video channel. Today we will be demonstrating how to assemble the Sit and Stand Double 2.0 stroller. Before beginning putting the stroller together, please make sure you have all included parts. You can find a list of these parts on the parts page in the instruction manual. All instructions explained in this video can be found in the instruction manual. Start with unfolding the stroller. Pull out and rotate the fold latch and use one hand to hold the handle and tilt the stroller forward. Push the stroller open firmly with the other hand. Firmly pull upward on the stroller handle to open the frame. Make sure the frame fully clicks into position. To assemble the front wheels, insert each wheel into the housing on both sides of the stroller frame. Line up the peg with the housing and firmly push into place. Remove the pin in one washer from both ends of the rear axle. Insert the rear wheel into the axle bar with the teeth facing inward and insert the second washer. Place the pin into the hole of the axle bar and then rotate into a locked position. From there, align the tabs on the cap with the holes on the wheels. Push the cap into the wheel to close the axle assembly. Make sure to press firmly with your palm to insert the cap completely. Repeat these steps for the other side. Lastly, align both sides of the rear axle and press in at the same time with the brake levers facing outward. Ensure both pins click into place. Be sure to pull on the front and rear wheels to ensure all are securely attached to the stroller. The stroller should not be used if wheels do not lock into place. To attach the child tray, align the tray to the connectors and push down. To access the child seat, pull one release trigger and lift up the tray simultaneously. Either side of the child tray will lift and rotate out of the way to allow access to the stroller seat. To install the front canopy, align both sides of the canopy clips onto the plastic tabs. Slide the clips forward to lock into place. Ensure the canopy is completely snapped into position. Locate the 3 open slots on the tray and face them toward the canopy. To attach the parent tray, insert the hole on the parent tray into the pin on the handle. Align the opposite side of the tray and press down until you hear a click. Make sure you do not put your finger underneath to avoid a finger pinch. If you receive the rear canopy unattached, start by lining up the fittings of the lower connection and pushing inward. Pinch the straps and insert into the tray slots. Hook all 3 canopy straps to the pertaining tray tabs. Ensure all fabric panels are attached to each corresponding tab. Secure the canopy sides with the bands around the tabs on the rear side of the frame. Fasten each hook and strap onto the stroller frame. Repeat for the other side. Ensure all straps on the storage basket are secured. If they are not secured, reference your manual for further instructions. Now we will demonstrate how to fold the stroller. Start by pushing the front canopy forward before folding the stroller. Pull the stroller backward to position the front wheels forward and engage the brakes. Slide the thumb latch to the left and squeeze the pull trigger while pushing forward on the handle. Push upward on the handle and use the fold assist strap to close the stroller and latch it closed. To use the jump seat, remove the rear child tray, rear canopy, and rear seat. Start by detaching the recline strap from the frame by folding and sliding the strap through the D-ring located on the end of the strap. Repeat for the other side. Remove any remaining straps that are attached to the stroller frame. Place the stroller on its side and remove the attachments underneath the rear seat. To reattach the rear seat, reverse the steps above. Thank you for watching. We hope you love your new stroller.